Standard 6th Maths, Chapter 13, Profit and Loss. Practice set 33. Maganlal bought trouser for rupees 400 and a shirt for rupees 200 and sold them for rupees 448 and 250 respectively. Which of these transactions was more profitable? So let's see how to solve. Here profit, first we will find out how much profit he has made in both the product which he has sold. So मगनलाल ने ट्राउज़र में प्रॉफिट SP minus CP, so that is SP is 448, CP is 400, so profit is equal to 48. And here for shirt SP minus CP, प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला है सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. So here selling price is 250, cost price is 200. So here profit is 50. Now we have to find out profit percentage. Which of these transaction was more profitable? So we have to find out profit percentage. So profit percentage for both the product. So therefore ये जो 48 है, this 48 was out of 400, 400 का प्रोडक्ट था and he earned profit of 48. So 48 upon 400 into 100, परसेंटेज निकालने के लिए हम 100 से करते. So 0 0 cancel, 4 1 जा 4 2 जा 8, sorry 4 1 जा 4 and 4 2 जा 8. So here 12% profit and here 50 upon 200. 200 के सामने 50 रुपीज़ प्रॉफिट अर्न किया है. सो 50 अपॉन 200 इंटू 100 ये प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज है. सो 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 1 कैरी 2 5 जा 10, 25%. So here we can see that transaction in 25% is more profitable. शर्ट का जो ये था selling, that was more profitable. So the transaction on shirt was more profitable. Second question, Ramrao bought a cupboard for rupees 4,500 and sold it for rupees 4,950. Shamrao bought a sewing machine for rupees 3,500 and sold it for rupees 3,920. Whose transaction was more profitable? So यहाँ हम क्या देख रहे हैं, रामराव ने कबर्ड खरीदा और बेचा, श्यामराव ने सीविंग मशीन सिलाई मशीन खरीदा और बेचा. सो लेट फाइंड आउट प्रॉफिट ऑन कबर्ड एंड प्रॉफिट ऑन सीविंग machine. So profit formula is selling price minus cost price. So here selling price is 4,950, cost price is 4,500. So profit is 450 after subtraction rupees. And here selling price minus cost price. Yeah, sorry, 3920 minus 3500. After subtraction, 4420. So we have to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage. So ये जो 450 है वो किसके सामने अर्न हुआ है? 4500 जितने में ख़रीदा था. तो परसेंटेज ढूंढने के लिए फॉर्मूला इज सी प्रॉफिट अपॉन कॉस्ट प्राइस into 100. This is the formula. So profit upon cost price into 100. 20 cancel. 45 ones are 45 ones are. Then this 0. So 10%. Then after this here यहाँ पे again 420 upon 3500 into 100. 20 cancel. Now this is 7. 7 5s are 7 6s are and 7 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 6 में से 5 गया 1. 5 2s are 10. So 12%. So here we can see this 12% is more. That means sewing machine. So sewing machine was whose? Shyamrao's. So Shyamrao transaction was more profitable. Third question. Hanif bought one box of 50 apples for rupees 400. He sold all the apples at rate of rupees 10 each. Was there a profit or a loss? What was its percentage? What they are saying over here, Hanif ने एक बॉक्स खरीदा. उस बॉक्स में 50 एप्पल्स है. There are 50 apples in a box. So all 50 apples Hanif has bought for 400. But afterward he is selling one apple for 10 rupees each. So first cost price of 50 apples is rupees 400. Okay, and selling price of 50 apples is 50 into 10. Why? Because we know that he has sold one apple for 10 rupees. एक एप्पल उसने 10 रुपये में बेचा तो 50 एप्पल में उसने कितना अर्न किया, कितना कमाया? सो 500. 50 into 10 500 rupees he earned. सो इतने में ख़रीदा, इतने में बेचा. तो ये दिखाई दे रहा है. वी कैन मेक आउट दैट ही हैड मेड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 100 रुपीज़. उसको 100 रुपये ज़्यादा मिले. सो प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो दैट इज़ 500 minus 400. So that is rupees 100. So he made a profit of 100 rupees. So they have asked two questions. Was there a profit or a loss? And what was its percentage? So now we have to find out profit percentage. So profit percentage equals to profit upon CP into 100. So that is profit is how much? 100. CP is how much? 400 into 100. So 0 0 cancel. 4 1 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 10 में से 8 गया 2 बचा, 4 5 ज़ा 20, so 25% profit. So our statement will be Hanif made a profit. The percentage of profit was 25. Done.